Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on your Google Pixel phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the gear icon on your phone. This is your settings app and it's where you'll manage all your network connections and system preferences. Tapping this icon will open up your main settings menu where you can access various configuration options. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and tap on Network and Internet. This section controls all your connectivity options including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and other network-related settings. It's the central hub for managing how your phone connects to the internet and other devices. Next, you'll want to tap on Internet. This option takes you directly to the Wi-Fi and mobile data management screen where you can view available networks and control your connection preferences. This is where you'll be able to see all the wireless networks in your area and manage your current connections. Now, here's an important step. Make sure to tap the toggle button next to use Wi-Fi to turn it on. This toggle activates your phone's Wi-Fi radio, allowing it to scan for and detect available wireless networks nearby. Without enabling this, your phone won't be able to see or connect to any Wi-Fi networks around you. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, give your phone a moment to scan the area. You'll then see a list of available Wi-Fi networks that are within range. These are all the wireless networks your phone has detected, and they'll appear with their network names and signal strength indicators. From this list, tap on the Wi-Fi network you want to connect with. Choose the network that matches your home, office, or wherever you're trying to connect. Make sure you're selecting the correct network, especially if there are multiple options with similar names. If this is your first time connecting to that particular Wi-Fi network, you'll need to input the Wi-Fi password. A keyboard will appear on your screen allowing you to type in the security key or password for that network. This step is necessary for protected networks to ensure only authorized users can access the connection. And that's it, you've successfully connected your Google Pixel to Wi-Fi. Your phone will remember this network and automatically connect to it whenever it's in range. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.